Good morning. My name is Simona Ene. I will present you specific objective 2.2, which is, has more money, first of all, and it's broader than the other specific objectives of priority 2. Specific objective 2.2 is focused on strengthening joint and integrated approaches to preserve and manage the diversity of natural and cultural heritage of the Danube region for ensuring a sustainable development and growth strategy, and for the benefit of growth strategies. We have two results defined by the cooperation program, and later, a bit later, I will tell you what we do not finance. One of the results is improved frameworks, capacities, and solutions for sustainable tourist development in the region, but this always has to be based on protection and sustainable use of natural and cultural heritage and resources, because one-dimensional exploitation of natural and cultural resources is not financed by the program. Based on reduction of resource and energy consumption and sustainable mobility management. The other result is referring to improved strategies and tools for sustainable use of cultural and natural heritage and resources for regional development in order to avoid or limit use of conflicts with tourism, natural resource consumption. Now a couple of words about the focus of this specific objective. I would like to highlight that the specific objective is focused on sustainable use, so this is the central word, I would say. Of natural and cultural heritage and resources. This doesn't mean that the project has to have inside both natural and cultural heritage, but we finance projects that address either one or the other. There has to be a balance, and we always look in our projects to be a balance between preservation, conservation, and use of natural and cultural heritage and resources. As defined by the cooperation program, sustainable tourist development is a central element of this specific objective. What we are not focusing in this specific objective is on management, preservation, and valorization of resources as a standalone topic, as we had in the past management of water as a resource. We do not focus on tourism without link to any cultural and, or natural heritage. We had projects that were focusing on increasing the tourists in certain areas, but those projects did not address any heritage that surrounds the area, and they were just strategies for attracting more tourists and so on. And we do not finance resource consumption or mobility as a standalone topic. This specific objective is open and is not restricted to any topic. However, in the first call, we did not have, and it would be a good idea to have projects that are advancing development based on using the cultural diversity and multiculturalism of the Danube region, as we know that it's a multicultural region of Europe and brings together 14 countries. Not only the inhabitants being of those countries. So this was a topic that was not addressed and would be an interesting, and it is addressed by the cooperation program actually. One other thing that I would like to draw your attention is the cooperation program has indicative actions. Indicative actions does not mean that a project is addressing one indicative actions. Those are actions that are coming together and then are brought together in one broader proposal, because our main goal is to have integrated proposals and not ones that are addressing a single topic. Visitors management is not something that we are looking in a proposal. As I said before, we have quite some funds for this specific objective, also because it has most of the funds from the specific objective 2.2, 30 million euro. In the first call we are going to contract around 15 million euro, so we have 15 left. In this call we have 9.3 million ERDF, 820 IPA, and in case we will have ENI, we will have 430 for Moldova and 430 for Ukraine. So the funds are quite generous.